Hi everyone, today I'll be going through the process about how to use Spacept's building detection block on the UP42 platform. The block finds all pixels corresponding to buildings in the image and returns a mask with the probability of each pixel being part of a building. First, press on the Use Block button, which will take you to the console. So we start by creating a new project. I'll call it Building Detector Demo. Then we'll create a new workflow. Here we need to give our workflow a name. I'll call it Building Detector Test. So first we'll need to select our data block. I will be using playlist streaming as the data block. You can also use other data blocks such as the spot data block as well. Then we can add a raster tile by UP42. So this splits the image into smaller tiles to speed up the process and allow parallelizing for large areas. Finally, we add in the building detector block by Spacept. So our workflow is now complete. We can save the workflow and configure our job. You can see a map being displayed here, and you can choose the area of interest. For instance, we want to analyze a building in Germany. So in order to see the buildings more clearly, I will switch to the satellite image. Now I'll try and select an area of interest. So our area here does not need to be rectangular, it can be any shape that you want. On the left here, you can see a panel in which you can modify some of the parameters of the job. So in this demo, I'll just leave them as it is. And if we scroll down, this shows us an estimation of the cost of the block. If you're satisfied, we can then press Run Job. So as you can see, it is doing a dry run now. And we can see that it is successful. So once this is successful, we then run it as a real job. This job will now take a while to complete. So it will get the image, apply raster tiling, and run the building detector model to determine whether each pixel is part of a building. Since this will take some time, I will now pause the video and we will resume later on. The job is now complete, so we can view and download the results by clicking here. This is the output folder that we have just downloaded. The data.json file contains the metadata of the job. The folder here contains the output of each tile, and the output image is a shadow mask with the probability of each pixel corresponding to a building. Thank you for watching this video and feel free to reach out to Spacept if you have any questions.